Hello, I'm Sandra. This is Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips. Today's video is going to be a rhythm stick activity to the song Love Somebody. In this music lesson with rhythm sticks, we're going to teach dynamics, tempo, form, and rhythm patterns all in one fun song and rhythm stick activity. Now's a good time to hit the subscribe button. Let's start by talking about the form of the song. The form of the song is A-A-B, A-A. In between each verse, there is a short singing intro. It's just love somebody, and then we start playing when the actual verse or the refrain begins. The first two sections, A, are the same and they repeat. Regular tempo A, B, slow tempo. Then A is going to be regular plus slow, and then A, regular plus slow. This is going to keep your students on their tippy toes, paying attention to the changes in the music. Now let's go through the rhythm patterns for each section. The A pattern is very simple. It's going to be down, down, front, front, front. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. We're going to do that 3 times and then we're going to roll for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then go straight to shoulders for rest to get to the next section. So we'll repeat the rhythm pattern 3 times because that's how the words of the song go. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. And we'll roll on the last line. 8 beats. With your younger students, just have them roll on that line. Then go straight to resting. That repeats 2 times, A. Then we get to the B section, which is different. Now the intro to the B section only has 1 line of intro. Love somebody, and then it starts right away. We'll be right here, and we're gonna tap in the middle. Tap, 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 and then down, 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 down. Love somebody, oh yeah, and then that repeats. That's the B section. Then we go back to resting. Then we have the 2-line intro, love somebody,
and we're going to change the tempo. This is going to be very slow.
It does make it tricky. That makes it fun. That makes everybody pay attention. Woohoo! All right, so we're going to use our sticks and we're going to play the same A pattern, just much slower. Love somebody, yes I do. Repeat that whole thing. It's nice and slow. So after the slow version A, we're going to play A again 2 more times. But now we're going to combine the tempos. The first 3 lines that repeat the pattern, love somebody, yes I do, we're going to play those regular tempo. But when we get to the last line, love somebody but I won't tell who, we're going to go slower. Love somebody but I won't tell who. Still the same number of beats, just slower tempo. That repeats 2 times, and then the song ends. That's the end. Now at the end, you can, instead of having them go to rest, you can love somebody, but I won't tell who. 7, 8, point to somebody they like or their friend. That would be fun too. So a couple quick tips are teach your students resting position, down, and middle. And the way you can do that is to play through the song and just have them tap the beat. All the beat down on the floor or on the desk, however you're doing it. And then stop the music and then have them play part of it, just tapping the beat here. And just practice down and here. And when the music stops, have them rest. So the quick activity to warm up would be rest your sticks here when there's no music. Follow the teacher, tap down when I tap down, tap middle when I tap the middle. And just play the steady beat through the whole song to get them warmed up. The younger they are, the slower you go and the more repetitions you make. So with the youngest ones, let's just do the A section first. Save B section for another class time. With your second and third graders, they can do the A and B section. Maybe save putting it all together that 6th and 7th time the song plays till the next class time. One more quick extension would be to later with your second and third graders, give them little groups to work with, and then have each of them work on the song together and play it, and then present their version of the rhythm stick song to you and the class. You can do that either using the actions you've taught them or have them make up their own AAB AA pattern. So let's get to how this song looks with the music.
Love somebody, ba-doo-ba-doo. Love somebody, love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Love somebody, love somebody, love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Love somebody, love somebody, love somebody, oh yeah. Love somebody, oh yeah. Love somebody, oh yeah. Love somebody, oh yeah. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Love somebody, love somebody, love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Love somebody, love somebody, love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Love somebody, yeah.
Rhythm stick activities are a great way to teach a ton of different music concepts in your classroom. You can find rhythm stick activities on singplaycreate.com. And be sure to head on over to Patreon and join the free membership so you can get the teaching materials that go along with many of the activities that are on this channel. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.
Sing,